Yes, you are welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create file in a folder and how to create, we are going to have a recap of creating folder within a folder. And of course, how to move items and objects from one location into a specific folder. How to copy file from a given location into your folder. Let's get started. Let's say, remember in our last class, we created this folder called RT, right? And I have this. Let's say I want to create a list of students and I want the list of students to be in this folder. I don't want it to be here. I can create it here, then move it, drag it into this RT. You can see it's showing move to RT. Then I can do that, or I open this RT. Now I'm in the RT folder, right click, click on new, then click on file. It may be Microsoft Word, it may not be Microsoft Word, it may just be, let's say, Excel. Let me look for Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay, good. Excel is here. Let's just give it a name, Red. All right. Now, this Red is in this folder. So whatsoever, by the time I open this folder, this file rather, whatsoever work I do in this Excel is going to be stored in the Excel file. Then the Excel file is saved in Red folder. So that is how to create a file in a folder. You can also create another file. Go to new. Let's say I want to create Microsoft Word, Office Word. Description. All right. I have this. By the way, apart from files of this format, you can also bring files of other formats into this folder. What do I mean? Let's say I have a video. I can bring a video into this folder, into this RT folder. I can bring a music into this RT folder. I can bring picture. I can bring a program. I can bring virtually any type of file into the folder. So a folder can hold different types of files. It can hold your picture. It can hold pictures. It can hold Microsoft Word documents. It can hold MP4 document, it can hold MP3 document, it can hold PNG, it can hold, in fact, it can hold application setup. So your folder can hold virtually any type of document or folder. If I want a folder within this folder, let's say in this RT, I want to create another folder and I want to name it my favorite music. I hope my desktop will allow me. Okay, let me use favorites. All right. Let's say this. I want this other folder to just contain my music, my favorite music. So for me to bring music here, how do I bring music here? I can open it up. Now I'm already a favorite. For you to know that, you check this RT, then favorite. Then you can minimize this, move it somewhere, then go and look for the music you intend bring in here. Let me see if I have any music here that I can move. Let me quickly check out something. Okay. I should have one or two musics. Oh, I doubt if there are. Okay. I don't know if this is working. Now I can copy it from here. I'm already teaching how to copy and paste. So copy from here, go to, remember that RT folder is in desktop. This is it here. Then come to the RT folder. We are already in RT folder. Right click and paste. All right. Now this is, oh, this is not, the extension shows that it is not an MP3 file. I need to get an MP3 file. But the point I'm making is that you can always bring a music here. You can bring video. I'll see how to get videos from other sources and bring here. But the bottom line is that you can always bring file of other formats and include them in your Yes, the next thing we'll do quickly before I end this video is how to copy file from one location to another location, either from a folder to another folder or from any storage location at all to another storage location. To do that, let me start with the ones on the desktop. This list is here. If I want it to be copied to the RT folder, we can do that easily. Let me open the RT folder. When it's open wide this way, you can always minimize it and you can expand it as you want. Once your arrow is here this way, you can expand and minimize. If you want it to cover the screen, you can use this restore or maximize button. Alright, if I want to copy this, notice that copying a file and moving a file is different. If you move a file from the desktop to this RT folder, you have the file in the RT folder but not on the desktop. If you move it on the other hand, it will go into the RT folder, you will no more find it on the desktop. But if you copy it, you can have it on both sides. So let me copy from here, copy here. Now once you copy, it is held in the memory. Come to this side and then paste. Now you can have it here. So you can have the list file here, and you also have the list file here. Okay, now let me quickly delete this list file and then move it completely to this folder. Alright, now if I click and drag this here, you can see that it is gone from the desktop. This is how to copy a file and how to move a file from one area or one location to another. Oh, somebody says, but this is just on the desktop. What if I want to copy or move file from documents and I want to move it to IT training? How am I going to do that? Simple. Open documents. Let me maximize so that you can see clearly. Let's say this third term scores. I want to move this completely from here and I want to move it to IT training. How do I do that? Click on it, right click. If I am moving it, then I have to click on cut. I'll click on cut, then go to the IT training where you are moving it to. Click on any empty space, right click on any empty space and then click on paste. Now it's now in the IT training. How do you know you're on IT training? This is it here, IT training. Now if you come to document, you will no more find it here. It is gone. That is totem score is gone from here. But if you did copy instead of cut, you will have it on both locations. That is how to copy file from one location to another and how to move file from one location to another. Then finally, the next thing you want to do is, of course, deleting your files. When your file is no more needed, you can delete. You can delete by right-clicking the file and then click on delete. And it will go. But be sure that you are actually ready to delete a file or a folder before you delete. So until I see you in the next video, stay in touch. The practical section are going to be sent to you on the WhatsApp group. And if you are registered for this course online, you are going to have the practical question sent along with the course. Thank you. See you in the next session.